Hello lovely people. You're watching this because you have clicked on a link in my first ever newsletter, Power Up, because I wanted to give you a little bit more on why on earth I adopt the strengths approach, because there are loads and loads of us out there doing, let's be honest, really quite similar things. So, and lots of people do use the strength approach, but I wanted to give you a little bit of insight into why I specifically work with it, because there is method, and there are reasons. It's not just something that I've plucked from thin air. So I've got 3 big reasons why I use this approach, and here they are. So this is all founded in positive psychology research, but the first thing that I wanted to share is when you operate in a way that is directly in line with your personal values and your strengths, you're more likely to stick at it. So less of that feeling of I want to feel what's next, and I want to feel like I'm doing something really worthwhile. If you look at these are my personal values and directly look for roles or companies to work for that are in line with those, and the same with your strengths, what are the things that really energize you and set you on fire when you're doing them? When you look with that criteria, beautiful things happen, because it gives you a much more direct way of finding the right employer, finding the right job, and you can do it it should make you feel confident and give you some real courage to think, I'm going to go do something that I'm going to be really good at. So the second thing is we feel more engaged. So when we are doing something that is in line with our values and with our strengths, there's over a 70% uplift, or you've got the potential to have an over 70% uplift in your engagement. So that works for both employers and employees, that come operate in this way, come and use your strengths. Their productivity and therefore the business performance can have a massive impact, which, like, everyone's a winner then, because not only are you doing something that you love, but you're also performing incredibly well in your day job. And then the third reason of my top 3 is that you see, when you focus on stuff that you're good at and making use of your strengths, you will see better and bigger progress in your development, rather than focusing on weaker areas and kind of the negative and the deficit. You've got loads more going for you if you spend time doing what we would call stretching your strengths, rather than always looking at, oh, I'm not very good at this, how should I fix it? No, we don't focus on that. We focus on, let's take all the good stuff and do more of it, because actually what happens is that you end up sorting out those weaker areas at the same time anyway. There is a bit more science to it than that, and it does involve probably a little bit more coaching, but they're my top 3 reasons, and I hope it gives you a little bit more insight into why I do what I do. If you want more information on the strengths approach, then drop me a little email and I will be more than happy to chat to you about it. See you soon.